Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics numericals. First, ensure you have a solid grasp of the underlying physics concepts. Don't just memorize, truly understand the principles. Next, commit essential formulas to memory, along with their correct units. Finally, practice unit conversions regularly, as this is a common area for errors. Consistent effort in these foundational steps will build a strong base for tackling any problem. Once you understand the basics, it's time to tackle problems strategically. Begin by reading each question carefully, identifying all given information and what you need to find. Then, draw a clear diagram. This visual representation can simplify even the most complex scenarios. Finally, break down the problem into smaller, more manageable steps. This approach makes the entire process less daunting and helps prevent mistakes. Consistent practice is crucial for success in physics numericals. Work through a wide range of problems, starting with simpler ones and gradually moving to more challenging exercises. Don't just solve them, review your mistakes thoroughly to understand the underlying errors. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to ask for help from your teachers or classmates. Learning from errors and seeking guidance are vital parts of the learning process. To truly excel, practice time management, especially during exams. Prioritize easier questions first, then return to the more challenging ones. Also, don't just memorize formulas, understand their derivations. This deeper insight helps when you forget a formula or need to adapt it. And speaking of efficiency, check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals. Remember, consistent effort and smart strategies will lead to success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.